Good.
All right, guys, what we have here is we have a pretty large subwoofer. And if you actually pick this up, it's pretty heavy. And so the first thing we ask you to do is to take a compass and put it next to the subwoofer. And notice as I move the compass, the white part of the compass follows that, which means there's a really strong magnet in here.
And that's the north end of the magnet too.
Yeah, because you can see if the white part of the compass is being attracted. That's the south pole of the compass, which means that must be the north pole of the magnet. And just for fun, if you checked it on this side,
Yep.
notice that the red one got attracted there first. There it is. The red one gets attracted, which means the south pole of the speaker magnet is right there. So this actually is pretty heavy. Mr. Lee, do you want to show them the voice coil inside?
Sure. On this, if you look inside of it, you can see that we pulled up, actually broke the speaker to show this, but this is a coil that surrounds the real strong magnet inside. And when the speaker works, there's a current that goes through that coil, and that current changes, so the magnetic field of it changes, and that field interacts with the permanent magnet's magnetic field, which is this right here. That's a permanent magnet.
That one wouldn't sound too good if you plugged it in.
No, not too. That's called a blown speaker right now. John,
Here, guys, we have just a small speaker, which works the same way as the big speakers. But on the back side here, you notice the magnet's a lot smaller. So you can picture like in your cell phone, where you guys have a speaker where you hear people and they talk to you. The magnet's gonna be super small.
Call 18205.
So what this question asks you to do, if we push on the cone of the speaker, this is hooked actually up to another galvanometer, which measures the current. And notice, if I'm not pushing the speaker, no electricity is produced. But as soon as I start pushing on the speaker, I produce electricity. So basically that means I'm moving a magnet through a coil, which is making electricity. And the question in this lab asked you, if you put electricity into the speaker, so now if we put electricity going into the speaker, that's what's going to move the cone back and forth.
so is a speaker the same thing as a microphone, only working in reverse?
So a speaker takes electricity, and the electricity goes into the speaker to move the speaker back and forth. That's a speaker. A microphone takes your sound wave and moves the speaker back and forth to produce electricity. So a microphone and a speaker basically work the same way.
Cool.
They just work exactly opposite each other.
That's cool.
Physics works again.
Nice.